Good afternoon everyone and welcome to the Q&A session 8 from the chapter of gravitation. The topic is the comparison of time period using the Kepler's law, and this session is in continuation of the session number 7 in which we have studied about the Kepler's law. So the question for this session is written here on this board, and the question is the distance of two planets from the sun are 10 to the power 13 and 10 to the power 12 meters respectively. So the ratio of their time period is, so here we have been given 4 options and we have to find the correct one. Now this question was asked in the CBSE All India Pre-Medical Test in the year 2012. So here we will be using the Kepler's third law, that is the square of the time period is directly proportional to the radius of the elliptical orbit, and the radius of the elliptical orbit is basically equal to the semi-major axis. So in this case there are two planets which are revolving around the sun, and the distance of the two planets from the sun are 10 to the power 13 and 10 to the power 12 meters respectively. So basically these are the radius of the elliptical orbit which these planets are following around the sun, and this is equal to the semi-major axis. So T1 square upon T2 square, this will be equal to R1 cube divided by R2 cube. Now here T1 is the time period of the first planet which is at a distance of 10 to the power 13 meters from the sun, and T2 is the time period of the second planet which is at a distance of 10 to the power 12 meters from the sun. So this will be equal to 10 to the power 13 upon 10 to the power 12 cube, and so we can say that T1 upon T2 square, this will be equal to 10 to the power 13 divided by 10 to the power 12 whole cube, and this is equal to 10 to the power 3, which is equal to 1000. So it implies that T1 square upon T2 square, this is equal to 1000, or simply we can say that T1 upon T2, this is equal to under root of 1000. It implies that T1 upon T2 is equal to, this will be equal to 100 into 10. So this is equal to, I will write it as 100 into 10. So this is equal to 10 root 10. Or we can say that T1 upon T2 is equal to 10 root 10. So the correct option here is C. That is, the ratio of the time period of these two planets is equal to 10 into root 10. And here 10 root 10 is basically equal to the time period of the first planet divided by the time period of the second planet. So thank you very much for joining this session. In the next session, I will be coming up with another question from the Kepler's law, but it will be entirely different from what we have done in this session. So till then, have a nice day. Bye.